If you are here to get subscribers, you are in the right place. And if you're also here to make progress on YouTube, you are in the right place. So this is how to get subscribers. First thing first, I want to appreciate those that gave me their phones to subscribe to my channel. Somebody say, you know what? So the thing is, start from where you are. If they are watching this video, God bless you. God will support you in everything you are doing. As you are out there supporting small creators, as you are out there supporting big YouTubers, you won't lack support too. So the first thing first you need to know is what? Start from where you are. Start from your location. Start from your place of work. I know some of you are already negative about it, that those that know you will not help you. Yes, those that know you will not help you. I've been asking them, they say, what am I even doing? You always was staring at the camera, talking to the camera. See, if God used it to help me, God can also use it to help you. If you're in your place of work, just approach those that you know first. Approach those that you know at your place of work. Tell them that you are a YouTuber. Ask them. This is what I did. I just asked question. Do you use the app? Do you use it to app? Yes, of course. I make use of the app. Okay, what do you now use the app to do? What do you do there? Like I just approach them with questions. Those are the people I know that we are free. This is not about being formal or anything. Yes, so okay, what do you use the app to do? Most of them use this app to watch movies. Most of them use it. Okay, I use it to watch movies. Okay, I have a channel. Okay, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I take the phone. Even some of them you're like, I don't know how they do this thing, no, but just use my phone and do whatever you want to do. I did was subscribe to my channel myself using another person's phone, using their phone. They gave me even some they did it themselves. Some they gave me their phone. Start from your place of work. Who do you know? Who do you play with? Don't hide. Don't say this and that. If you tell 30 people, if you tell 40 people, 20 at least, or 10 we do what, we'll be glad to support you. There are supporters out there. It's just that we have not you've not seen them, you've not approached them. So don't have this negative thinking that if they know that I'm a YouTuber now or this and that, they might not want to help me. Just try to speak out. Let them know. Even if you're in your neighborhood, just say something. This is what I do. Subscribe. Are you on YouTube? Stuff like that. I tell you, so many we do what we subscribe to your channel. So the second thing you need to do that is also helping me is posting regularly on your shorts. I've heard a lot of big creators, even my coaches here on YouTube. So it does not matter. I'm not about the numbers now. It's not about some. If you can, it's just about what you can do. But make sure you post consistently on shorts. If you can do twice a day, do it. If you can do 3 times a day, do it. If you can do once a day, do it. But make sure you post consistently on shorts. Why? Someone should ask me why. You need to be posting consistently. That shows what? That shows others. That shows the YouTube algorithm that what? Your channel is active. Your channel is active. My channel is active. So let's keep posting. Just do whatever you can do. Post regularly on your shorts. If you can do twice, if you can do 3 times, if you can do once. My own is just to what? Make sure you post regularly on your shorts. So try these two method. Tell your neighbors. Don't mind. Those that will support you will support you. Approach your friends at your place of work, your business place. Just look around you. You don't need to start from those that people that you know. You don't need to start from there first. Those that you play with, you laugh with. I do it. In fact, I think I did even few days like this now. I approach my friends, my neighbors. This is what I do, this and this. Do you understand now? If they are 10 or 20, even if it's 5, they will support you. They will even give you your phones. Take and subscribe. So it is very, very easy, and by doing all of these things, your subscription will do what? Will grow. Your subscribers will keep growing, and they will love what you do. Just tell them, this is what I do, because I explain my channel, this is what I do, this and that, this is the niche I am, these are the kind of content I create. Do you understand now? So just do this and thank me later. Comment, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and save this video for tomorrow so that you can always come back to watch the video. God bless you. See you on the next video. Bye.